welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be taking you guys on a tour of our vacation cabin that we stayed in at Beach Mountain, North Carolina. Absolutely amazing, you guys. Like, as you can see, we're heading up the mountain now, and the farther we got, the colder we got. But the farther we got, the more beautiful the scenery became. So I hope you guys sit back and enjoy this video. We're minutes from our cabin and check out the deers. We have just arrived at the cabin, getting things unloaded here.
That's a good trade, eh? Good trade, man. Hey, look.
Go ahead. So you walk in, let's explore. How cute! Don't mind all the stuff. We just unloaded the vehicles. Well, this is our kitchen area. Bags. Absolutely gorgeous. The kitchen got a refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave. Okay. Flat top stove. Our view from our kitchen. Yes, honey, I see plenty of meals being cooked in here. Little nice setup right here. Moving on. Kitchen table. Like I said, we did just unpack the vehicles. They even got like different board games and stuff for family night. How cute. The little sitting area. A TV. I'm gonna tell you, honey, this wall right here with this wood is everything. I love that. That's my favorite. Moving along. Bedroom number 1. Nice, toasty and cozy in here. Got the towels folded up all nice and neat. It's all clean. Smell fresh. You got your own bathroom. I love these bathrooms, you guys. These bathrooms is everything. Look at the lighting, honey. That farm look. I love it. The shower. Oh my God, look at the shower. What? Cute. The towel in the shower is everything. Going around. This is a full-size bathroom, you guys. Nice little setup in here. Got a little closet space. Hang your clothes in. Look at the little deer. Yeah. Going over to the next room. Just like literally across the hall. Bedroom number 2. It's in here. Bed. Nice little setup in here. Dressers. Towels folded all nice and neat. Once again, you got your closet. You got a mini closet here. Enter into the bathroom. Honey, look at this. Gorgeous. I love the black and white, honey. It's the black and white for me. Look at the sink. Look at that. I love it. Go on around. Little wall decor. How cute. Bath mat. Look at the shower, honey. Look at that. This walk-in shower. Look, the shower head. Look at the shower head. Bam. What? Nice. It is absolutely gorgeous. So let me take you guys downstairs. Y'all good? That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put some food in the refrigerator. We're going down the stairs. This is the back door. We got another bathroom here downstairs. And another shower. Bedroom number 3. It's nice and bright in here. I love this. Nice and bright. Little wall decor.
Alright.
Cabinets. Closet space. You know, a little pantry down here with books in it. Ooh, that's nice. I love to read, you guys. I might find me a good book. And bedroom number 4. Two beds. It's really nice and warm in here. It feels amazing.
Mom.
Let's check out this closet. Oh, the closet door is locked, so
It's a closet right there.
that's good. And finally, the last room down here is the washroom, the laundry room. And for you guys that's watching, that you know me, you already know laundry is my favorite thing. So there you go, the laundry room. So I'm gonna take you upstairs and go outside on the balcony. These ceilings, look at these ceilings. Okay, so we're outside and we have a balcony, which is 2 ways you can get out here from the living room. So this is the start of the balcony. And by the way, it's like 30 degrees out here right now, so it's really cold, but it's really peaceful and calm. So this is our view. We got a couple of houses over there, got a house over there. Walking around our patio, it's a wraparound patio, so like you get to see the view from every angle. Got another house up there on top of the hill. Absolutely amazing. We got a creek down there. Let's see if I can zoom in for you guys. We got a creek. It's so peaceful. I don't know if you can see all the way back there. I'm zooming in further as I can. It's a waterfall. Absolutely beautiful. Yes, I love it. And we walking around, walking back around. Just a little gate here. Walking back around. Trees. And we're back to where we started at. It's a nice little place. It's really nice, calm, peaceful out here. But anyways, I gotta get in here so that I can unpack, get the refrigerator loaded.
This side. Oh, nice.
So we done got some of our groceries unpacked. Got the drinks over here. Cooler loaded. Loaded. We come prepared. Choco.
You know what Boogie and Malik is? Yeah. What the?
Stuff that we done cleared out of totes. Totes with more kitchen stuff in it.
These rooms got a thermostat in it.
Food in them. Pantry food. snacks. Honey, some salmon cakes. What? We got a little wine here. Got a couple of breakfast foods, some little other whatnots that we needed.
We waited about 10 minutes to get in.
Couple of more other stuff.
Yeah.
Extra bowls, baths, air freshener, Lysol. Some finished pots. We ain't got time to be washing no dishes. Got a dishwasher here. Got some Clorox right there. Some microbrand spray. Coffee pods. What? Starbucks. Got snacks. Bananas. Pack of paper towels. Refrigerator full of drinks. Champagne. Milk. We got ribs. Bacon. Sausage. That comes to the end of our tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Isn't the cabin amazing? It was absolutely beautiful. It was so home away from home, like that's what I call it. But nevertheless, if you're new to my channel, make sure you go hit that subscribe button and turn your bell on. That way you will not miss an upload. And to my subscribers, you already know I love you guys. Until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.